जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंदा जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंदा। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंदा जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंदा। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंदा जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंदा। ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनाशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणा रघुनाथान् वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजना सहितं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगणा ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरद्विषे नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधार श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय तडालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। मुखं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरून् दीनतारिणं परमानन्दमाधवं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यमीश्वरं। हरिः ओम् तत्सत्। आजानुलम्बितो भुजौ कनकावदातौ सङ्कीर्तनैकपितरौ कमलायताक्षौ विश्वाम्बरौ द्विजवरौ युगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरौ करुणावतारो। Hare Krishna. Dear devotees, Dandavat Pranam. So we'll quickly revise. We completed the introduction and foreword, and we are starting with chapter number 1. So let's quickly read this and revise what we've already did. The last time we did a little bit of the introduction of the chapter 1 that's given by Prabhupada here, which is entitled The Spiritual Masters. Yeah. So basically I was explaining Vande Gurun Ishavaktan Isham Ishavatarakan Tat Prakasham Satat Shakti Krishna Chaitanya Samyak. That's the first verse. Right. So in chapter 1, Vande Gurun. So who is described? All of our gurus are described. Vande Gurun. Gurun is never one. Right? There is one Diksha Guru. There are several Siksha Gurus. And there is the Vartama Pradarshaka Guru, who shows us the path of Krishna consciousness, who may have given us the first book of Krishna consciousness, or who may have taken us to the temple like that. So Vande Gurun. So offering respectful obeisances to all of our gurus, our Siksha Gurus, our Diksha Guru, our Vartama Pradarshaka Guru, right? Vande Gurun. And they are predominantly headed by these five personalities. Who are these five personalities? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Acharya, Gadadhar Pandit, and Srivas Thakur, right? Vande Gurun Isha Bhaktan. Isha Bhaktan refers to Srivas Thakur. He is a pure devotee of the Lord. Vande Gurun Isha Bhaktan. Isham refers to Supreme Personality of Godhead, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is incarnated as a pure devotee of the Lord. Isham, Isha Avatarakan. Avatarakan refers to Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya is a combination of Sadashiva and Mahavishnu. Vande Gurun Isha Bhaktan, Isham Isha Avatarakan, Tat Prakasham. That refers to devotional manifestation. That refers to Nityananda Prabhu. Tat Prakasham, Tat Shakti. Shakti refers to the energy of the Lord. Gadadhar Pandit is the Srimati Radharani, who is incarnated as Gadadhar Pandit. We discussed how when Krishna took the mood and complexion of Srimati Radharani, whatever else was left of Srimati Radharani appeared as Gadadhar Pandit. That is Tat Shakti Krishna Chaitanya Samyakam. So these are the 5 features of the Lord, and they are our original gurus. That is the reason before we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we chant Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So these 5 features of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who are all our gurus, right? They are all of our gurus are representations of these 5 features of the Lord. Especially Nityananda Prabhu is said to be the original spiritual master, because he is not different from Balaram. So in this way, okay. So Mataji, tell me where we have to start from. Shobha Mataji, when we are starting, I'll unmute you. So what was I saying? So one day Gurun, we are offering obeisances to all of our spiritual gurus, right? Coming in the line of bona fide disciplic succession in the Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Vaishnava Guru Parampara, starting from Lord Sri Krishna himself, right? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself has taken this Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Vaishnava Guru Parampara. Krishna, Brahma, Narada, Vyasa, like that. It's coming down to Madhave, to Madhvacharya, then coming down Madhavendra Puri, Ishwara Puri, and then Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and then coming down in the disciplic succession is Gaurakrishna Das Babaji Maharaj, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, right? Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, Gaurakrishna Das Babaji Maharaj, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, and now all of the disciples of His Divine Grace, Abhicharanaravindra Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So we are all coming in a bona fide Guru Parampara. So we need to understand that we need to respect all of our gurus. It is only with the causeless mercy of all of our gurus that we are able to render service to Krishna. So our first obeisance, like I was hearing a devotee's class, he was saying, if Krishna and our guru are directly coming in front of us, and we can offer obeisance only to one of them, then we should offer obeisances to our guru. Why? Because Guru only reveals Krishna to us, right? Guru, if not for Guru, we will not know. Duryodhana also saw Krishna. Arjuna also saw Krishna. Arjuna sought guidance from Krishna, and he became successful. Whereas Duryodhana did not want to listen to the instructions of Krishna. So, in spite of Krishna being personally present, right, it could not benefit Duryodhana. That is the reason we need a Guru to tell us how to receive the instructions of Lord Sri Krishna and how to implement that instruction from the gurus in a way that's pleasing to our gurus. Okay, so we need to start from Lord and His plenary expansions. Okay, so let me share my screen. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yeah, so we were reading about how the Lord Krishna is complete, and there are different levels of completeness of Lord Sri Krishna also, right? Like Lord Krishna in Mathura is complete. Lord Krishna in Dwaraka is more complete, and Lord Krishna in Vrindavan is the most complete form. Right? How do we say this in completeness form? Right? Lord Krishna is complete. He is Purna Purushottam Bhagavan. But in terms of rasa, right? Lord Krishna in Mathura, there is so much of Aishwarya that Madhurya is very, very less. Whereas in Dwaraka, there is Madhurya, but there is a little bit of Aishwarya also. Right? In Dwaraka, right, who are worshipping Krishna? We have Rukmini, we have Satyabhama, we have Kalindi, we have Jambavati, so many wives of Lord Sri Krishna who are having this Madhya Ras with Lord Sri Krishna, but they are overwhelmed with awe and reverence, right? But whereas Krishna is most complete in Vrindavan. Why? Because Krishna is the happiest in Vrindavan. Why? Because Aradhya Bhagavan Rajesh Tanayas Tadhama Vrindavanam Ramya Kachit Upasana Vrajavadu Vargena Va Kalpita. The best form of worship, right, as given by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, who is Krishna himself, who is come in the mood of his pure devotee Srimati Radharani. This is the opinion of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matamidam Tatra Dharana Para. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's opinion is Lord Krishna's best worship is done by the Vrajavasis, and that is done to Lord Krishna in Vrindavan. Aradhya Bhagavan Vraja Ishatanayas Tad Dama Vrindavanam Ramya Kachit Upasana Vrajavadu Vargena Vakalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Puranam Amalam Prema Pumarto Mahan. Simply by studying Srimad Bhagavatam, we can arise our love for Krishna in our hearts. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhormatamidam Tatra Dharana Para. So this is the opinion of Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So in this way, the highest of all is the damsels of Rajaram, because that is the opinion of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And what is Chaitanya? What is the gopis of Vrindavan telling us? Right? What are they teaching us? They are teaching us unconditional, unmotivated love. Right? Not the love of this material world, which is self-centered. Not even the love of the queens of Dwaraka. Right? Because the queens of Dwaraka also having this Aishwarya Bhav. But what is most pleasing to Krishna is the love of the Vrajavasis. And in that mood, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving us all an opportunity to understand what is that highest level of rasa. And that is the study of Chaitanya Charitamrita. Okay, so let's continue reading. Yes, Shobha Mataji, you can start. Yeah, I've highlighted from where you have to start. Yeah, thank you. Haribol.
Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam Mataji, Krishnaraj Kaviraj Goswami ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Lord Shri Krishna and his plenary expansions are all in the category of Lord himself, the energetic absolute truth, whereas his devotees, his eternal associates, and his energies. The energy and the energetic are fundamentally one, but since their functions are differently executed, they are simultaneously different also. Thus, the absolute truth is manifested in diversity in one unit. This philosophical truth, which is pursuant to the Vedanta Sutra, is called Achintya Veda Tattva, or the concept of simultaneous oneness and difference. In that later portion of this chapter, the transcendental position of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and that of Sri Nityananda Prabhu are described with reference to the above thesis facts. Text
Okay.
1. Vande Gurun Isha Bhaktan Isha Ishavakarakan Tat Prakashamscha Tat Shaktihi Krishna Chaitanya Samjnakam. Synonyms. Vande, I offer respectful obeisances, Guru, unto the spiritual master, Isha Bhaktan, unto the devotees of the Supreme Lord, Isham, unto the Supreme Lord, Isha Avatarakan, unto the incarnations of the Supreme Lord, Tat of the Supreme Lord, Prakashan, unto the manifestations, Cha and Tat of the Supreme Lord, Saktihi, unto the potencies, Krishna Chaitanya, Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Samjnakam, named. Translation. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the spiritual masters, the devotees of the Lord's incarnation, his plenary portions, his energies, and the primeval Lord himself, Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Should I continue, Mataji?
Mataji, thank you. So here, this is what described in great detail. And it's what Prabhupada also did, right? What did Prabhupada do? In the introduction, Prabhupada has described all the beginning shlokas of Chaitanya Charitamrita, right? Even up to the point of offering obeisances to Radha Madan Mohan, Radha Govindaji, Radha Gopinath, right? But it all starts with the offering of obeisances to our gurus, the spiritual masters, right? And why? Jasya prasadat Bhagavat prasado, yasya prasadanna gati kutopi, jayinstuvamstasya yasastri sandhyam, Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. By simply pleasing our spiritual master, we can please Krishna. If we don't please our spiritual master, we cannot understand how to please Krishna. Right? In the case of Bhagavatam also, you see Ashwatthama goes and kills all the 5 sons of Draupadi who are sleeping. And Ashwatthama thinks that, oh, I have pleased my Duryodhana, right? Whom he considers himself as his friend and mentor and everything. But when he actually goes and tells Duryodhana himself, who's actually so self-centered, even he thought the act of Ashwatthama is very, very heinous. How can you kill, 5 children who are sleeping, right? It is against the ethical codes. So in that way, sometimes we think that I am doing something which will please my guru. That is why periodically we need to take a stock and we need to check with our gurus. Are we doing service in a way that's pleasing our gurus? Right? Otherwise, our endeavor will go in vain if you're not able to please our gurus like that. Okay, let's move ahead. Text number 2. Vande Sri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Sahodito Gaudode Pushpavanto, Chitrau Shandau Tamonudau. Synonyms. Okay, anyone wants to read? Okay, Madhavi Suhasini Mataji, you can read. After that, Kripami Sita Mataji, Deval Mataji. Yes, we can go in that order. Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Pranam.
Hare.
Vande, I offer respectful obeisances. Shri Krishna Chaitanya to Lord Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Nityananda and to Lord Nityananda. Sahe Udito, simultaneously arisen. God Udaye on the eastern horizon of Gauda. Pushpavanto, the sun and moon together. Chitrao, wonderful. Samdao, bestowing benediction. Tamahanudao, dissipating darkness. Translation: I offer my respectful obeisances unto Sri Krishna Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda, who are like the sun and moon. They have arisen simultaneously on the horizon of Gauda to dissipate the darkness of ignorance and thus wonderfully bestow benediction upon all. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, Mataji, hold on just 1 second. One second, devotee. Hare Krishna. So sorry, devotees. Sorry with the disturbance. Okay. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu are like the sun and the moon, right? Very interesting. Even in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, sun and the moon represent my two eyes, right? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not different from Lord Sri Krishna only. Right? So Madhavi Swasini Mataji, both of us can read. I'll read the shloka. We'll continuously read the synonyms and translation until we get the purport. And after purport comes, then Kripami Mataji and others can read. So let's quickly go through the verses. Yadadvaitam Brahmopanishadi tadapyasya tanubha ya atmantaryami purusha iti soshamsha vibhavaha Shadaishwarye purno iha bhagavan swayam ayam na chaitanyat krishna jagati paratatvam paramiha. Synonyms?
Some synonyms: Yat, that which; Advaitam, non-dual; Brahma, the impersonal Brahman; Upanishadi, in the Upanishads; Tat, that; Api, certainly; Asya, his; Tanubha, the effulgence of his transcendental body; Yah, who; Atma, the super soul; Antahyami, indwelling Lord; Purusha, supreme enjoyer; Iti, thus; Seh, he; Asya, his; Amsha Vibhava, plenary expansion; Sat, Aishwarya, with all six opulences; Purnaha, full; Yaha, who; Ih, here; Bhagwan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead; Saha, he; Swayam, himself; Ayam, this; Na, not; Chaitanyat, then Lord Chaitanya; Krishnat, then Lord Krishna; Jagati, in the world; Para, higher; Tattvam, truth; Param, another; Ih, here. Translation: what the Upanishads describe as the impersonal Brahman is but the effulgence of his body, and the Lord known as the Super Soul is but his localized plenary portion. Lord Chaitanya is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna himself, full with six opulences. He is the absolute truth, and no other truth is greater than or equal to him. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Hare Krishna. So, Aishwaryasya Samagrasya Dhiryasya Yashasya Shriyaha Jnana Vairagyascheva Sannam Bhaga Itingana. That is why the Lord is called Bhaga. Bhag means opulences. Van means one who possesses those opulences, right? So we're talking about Dhanvan, Viryavan, right? Dhanvan is someone who has a lot of wealth. Viryavan is someone who has a lot of strength and courage, right? Like that, the Bhagavan. Bhaga means all the opulences. What are the opulences? Beauty, wealth, strength, knowledge, fame, and renunciation. Krishna possesses all these opulences. Does Chaitanya Mahaprabhu possess all these opulences? Yes. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also possessing all the opulences. Right? There are beautiful verses which glorify the beautiful a hair of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right? And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas, it is said that all the Navadvipvasis were crying because Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead who's incarnated as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he's taken renunciation or the sannyas order simply to make people listen to his words and practice the process of Krishna consciousness, right? Vairagya Vidya, Nija Bhakti Yoga, Sikshartamekah, Purusha Puranah, Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Shariradhari, Kripa Mudir, Yastamaham Prapadye. So he has come to teach us Vairagya Vidya. He has come to teach us Nija Bhakti Yoga. When we do Bhakti Yoga, Vairagya will automatically come as a byproduct, right? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is the Supreme Lord, he also took Vairagya. He's got immense knowledge. It is said that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wrote a book. He's called Nimai Pandit. He wrote a book of all the grammar and everything. And he found that one of his friends also written a book, right? And then when that friend told, oh Nima, you've also written this book. What will people, nobody will read my book. If they get to know that you've also written the same book. And what did Nimai do? Immediately he threw his book in the river. He told that, okay, now everybody will read your book. So that is the extent of renunciation that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has, right? And he's written a book. He's considered the greatest of the scholars. Even Advaita Acharya, even before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas, it was Nimai Pandit. Nobody used to come in front of him. Of course, we know how he defeated Keshav Kashmiri, all that we will read later. But then, he was the greatest of the scholars, right? So, knowledge, beauty, wealth, right? He married Lakshmi Priya and Vishnu Priya. They are all expansions of Lakshmi Devi. So, in that way, we understand that all the opulences which are there in Krishna is also there in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has got one additional opulence, which even Krishna does not have. What is that? Krishna says, Ye tamam prapadyanti tam sadeva bhajamiham. As you surrender to me, I will reward accordingly. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what does he say? He is Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate. Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaura Yushe Namaha. But in his incarnation as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is even more munificent than Lord Shri Krishna himself. He does not seek any qualification. He does not see if anybody is surrendering. Right? That's the reason, Srila Prabhupada, what does he say? Just go and distribute my books. If people read my books automatically, like a time bomb, right? Some may burst immediately. Some may have a little bit of time. They may burst after 1 year, 10 years, or next generation. Right? So when we distribute Srila Prabhupada's books, we are profusely distributing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, the fruit of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy. So anytime and every time, the bomb may explode. And our heart, which is filled with Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, will get burst out. And in that place, Krishna Prem can manifest. Right? So here, what is specifically mentioned is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He's situated, he's got all the 6 opulences. Right? And immediately, like Krishna also tells in Bhagavad Gita, Natad Bhashete Shuryo, Na Shashanko, Na Pavakaha. Right? So that spiritual world does not need light, heat, or electricity to run, or does not require a sun or a moon. Why? Because the bodily effulgence of the Lord illuminates the entire spiritual world. And that's why he's also called Asamordhva. There is nobody equal to Krishna or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There is nobody Asama. That means nobody is equal. Asama Urdhva. We say that our tilak is Urdhva Kundra. Right? Nobody is going up. Nobody is higher than Krishna. Nobody is equal to Krishna. That's why Ekala Ishvara Krishna Arasabha Britya. Like that. Okay, let's move on to next text number 4. Anarpita Charinchirat Karunayavatirnaha Kalao Samarpayitum Unnatojvalarasam Subhakti Shriyam Harihi Purata Sundara Dutikadamba Sandipitaha Sada Hridaya Kandare Suratu Vaha Shachinandanaha. Okay, Karpagoli Mataji, go ahead. Synonyms.
Hare Krishna Dandatman Mataji. Synonyms. Anarpita, not bestowed. Charim, having been formerly. Chirat, for a long time. Karunya, by costless mercy. Avartinaha, descended. Kalau, in the age of Kali. Samarpayutam, to bestow. Samarpayutam, bestowed. Unnata, elevated. Ujvila, Rasam, the conjugal mellow. Swabhakti, of his own service. Shriyam, the treasure.
Harihi. Hare Krishna, I cannot hear you. Okay, Mataji, you're not audible. Deval Mataji, you want to continue?
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandavat Pranam.
Dandavats, yeah. Were you able to hear Karpakuli Mataji?
No, after one or two words, no.
Yeah,
Hare
the
Krishna,
voice got
Mataji.
lost.
Yeah, now I can hear her.
Now, Mataji.
Ah,
Now, Mataji.
Okay. Go ahead.
See?
Mataji, sit in one place and do, Mataji. You're walking here and there.
Okay.
Network problem will be there.
Yes, Mataji, network problem. Now it's okay, Mataji.
Yes. Read.
A conjugal, Ujjwala Rasam, the conjugal love, Sabhakti of his own service, Shriyam, the treasure, Harihi, the supreme lord, Purata, than gold, Sundara, more beautiful, beauty of splendor, Kadambaha, with a multitude, Santipaha, the lighted up, Sada, always, Hridaya Kandare, in the cavity of the heart, Spuratu, let him be manifest, Va, your Sachinandanaha, the son of Mother Sachi. The translation, may the Supreme Lord, who is known as the son of Srimati Sachi Devi, be transcendently situated in the innermost chambers of your heart, resplendent with the radiance of molten gold. He has appeared in the age of Kali by his causeless mercy to bestow what no incarnation has ever offered before, the most sublime and radiant mellow of devotion love, the mellow of conjugal love.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank
So, what even Krishna did not give? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come to give that, right? That no other incarnation, of course, Krishna is not an incarnation, he is also an avatari. But even more munificent than Krishna, like we discussed, is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And radiance of molten gold, right? Swabhakti Shriyam, right? He is giving his own bhakti, right? By demonstrating how devotional service has to be rendered unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hridaya Kandare, how do we reawaken our love in the heart of not only ourselves, but also in the hearts of others, right? So when we Janma Sarthakari, then you also try to do Paropakar. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has done the greatest welfare activity for everybody by actually engaging us in the service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by giving us Harinam through the modes of Nityananda Prabhu, through Haridas Thakur. So in that way, he has given us what even Lord Sri Krishna himself did not give. But he is the same Lord Sri Krishna who has now appeared as Shachigarbha Sindhu Harinduhu, right? Who has appeared in the womb of Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Okay, no talking in between. Okay, let me mute. Okay. So what was I saying? Shachigarbha Sindhu Harinduhu. That Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is now, who is Krishna himself, has now appeared as the son of Srimati Shachi Devi and Jagannath Mishra. And he is in the complexion of molten gold. He's taken the complexion and mood of Srimati Radharani. And what is he offered? He is offering the mellow of conjugal love. Right? Gopi Bartu Patakamalayur Dasa 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 Anu Dasa. Right? He is giving us the opportunity to understand what is the bliss that can be experienced when one serves the Lord in the mood of the servant of the gopis, in the mood of the servant 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 of the gopis. So here also, this is in the spiritual parlance. The lower we are, the greater protection we have, right? In the material world, we always want to go up, right? Because the higher the number of people above us, the more the exploitation. That is a material world, right? The material designation. If I'm an assistant manager, I want to become manager. I want to become assistant vice president. I want to become vice president. I want to become director. Because the higher we go, less number of people above us, less number of people to exploit us, right? But then in the spiritual world, the position is exactly opposite. Urdhva Moolam, Adaha Shakam. So in the spiritual world, the greatest of the devotees want to be in the lower level. They don't want to go high. If you think if you go high, it will unnecessarily increase our false ego. The greatest of the devotees, they want to become servant of the servant of the servant of the servant. The Kuleshwara Maharaj prays 7 times down. Then what happens? The higher the number of people above us, the greater is the protection. We are under the shelter of so many devotees. That in some cases, when we get confused what to do, what not to do, when we're going in the wrong path, the more the number of devotees above us, the more is the chances of us coming back to Krishna consciousness. Right? So in spiritual world, you should understand, or in spiritual consciousness, you should understand it is not about getting higher. It is about becoming more humbler. Right? Vidya vinaya sampanne brahmane gavihastini shuni chaiva swapake cha panditaha samadarshinaha. So that's what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is showing us, how to serve in the mood of the gopis. Right? Whose mood is to do anything for the pleasure of Radha Krishna. They don't need anything for themselves. Even if they go to hell, that is okay. If it cures, if you cure Lord Shri Krishna of a momentary headache, they are willing to go to hell. So that is the mood and devotion of the gopis, right? And they always and the manjaris, they are serving at the direction of the gopis. Even they are serving even when we go to the spiritual world, we are always serving under guidance, right? It is never that directly I'm going to serve Radha Krishna tomorrow. No, we are always serving because there are Nitya Siddha Bhaktas, right? When we perfect our lives, go to the spiritual world, we are assisting those Nitya Siddha Bhaktas, right? We can never become Yashoda Maya, we can never become Radharani, we can never become Lalita, Vishaka, Champaklata, Chitra, Tungavidya, Induleka, Rangadevi, Sudevi. They are all eternal associates of the Lord who are serving the Lord. Whatever is our aspiration can be to become their servants. So we can also assist in the pastimes of Sri Radha and Krishna. We can also assist in the Sankirtana pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In this way, we please Guru and Gauranga. Okay, last verse for today. Deval Mataji, you can read. So let's read text number 5. Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikritir Ladini Shaktirasmat Ekatmanav Abhibuvi Puradeha Vedam Gatauto Chaitanyakyam Pragadamaduna Tadvayam Chaikyamaptam Radha Bhava Juti Suvalitam Naumi Krishna Swarupam. Yes, Deval Mataji, please unmute.
Yes, Hare Krishna Mataji, Dhanvat Pranam. Synonyms: Radha, Srimati Radharani, Krishna of Lord Krishna, Pranaya of love, Vikritihi, the transformation, Haladini Shaktihi, pleasure potency, Asmat, from this, Ekat Atmanav, both the same in identity, Api, although, Bhuvi, on earth, Pura, formerly, Deha Bhedam, separate forms, Gatau, obtained, Tau, those two, Chaitanya Akhyam, known as Sri Chaitanya, Prakritam, manifest, Adhuna, now, Tat Dvayam, the two of them, Cha, and Aikyam, unity, Aptam, obtained, Radha, of Srimati Radharani, Bhava, mood, Duty, the lustre, Valitam, who is adorned with, Naumi, I offer my obeisances, Krishna Swarupam, to him who is identical with Sri Krishna. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada ki jai. The loving affairs of Sri Radha and Krishna are transcendental manifestations of the Lord's internal pleasure-giving potency. Although Radha and Krishna are one in their identity, previously they separated themselves. Now these two transcendental identities have again united in the form of Sri Krishna Chaitanya. I bow down to him who has manifested himself with the sentiment and complexion of Srimati Radharani, although he is Krishna himself. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Pranam.
Krishna, yeah. So this is the actual appearance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right? What is it? Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Radha Krishna Nahi Anya. So whenever Radha and Krishna, right, it is said that Radha and Krishna were together, right? But whenever Krishna wants to enjoy, then he exhibits his energy separate from himself. So Krishna and Radharani are not different from each other. And now Deha Bedam Gatavato, right? They have separated themselves as Krishna and Radharani. Now Chaitanyakyam Pragadamadana. Chaitanyakyam. That means they have joined together to form Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Radha Krishna Nahi Anya. There is no difference between Radha and Krishna. When they are in combined form, they are in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And when they want to enjoy separated pastimes, then they expand themselves. Krishna expands into Radharani. Right? I bow down to him who has manifested himself with the sentiment and complexion of Srimati Radharani. Right? Naumi Krishna Swarupam. That Krishna, who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, has now come in the mood and complexion of Srimati Radharani. and his name is Gauranga Mahaprabhu. His name is Chaitanya Akyam, right? He is manifest himself as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and has come in the mood of Radha Bhava Dudi Sulitam. Radha Bhava is taken the mood and complexion of Radha Rani, right? Naumi Sulitam. Naumi means of my respectful obeisances. Krishna Swarupam. To that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Lord Sri Krishna himself, who has come in the mood and complexion of Srimati Radharani. So with that, we'll end our Chaitanya Charitamrita session today. These wonderful beginning verses are foundational, very, very important for us to understand that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not different from Radha Krishna, and Krishna's enjoyment with Radharani. It's not a material enjoyment, it is transcendental enjoyment because Radharani is the energy of Krishna. As much as we are also energies of Krishna, we are all marginal energy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. As much as Radharani is serving the Supreme Personality of Godhead, it is our duty also to serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Just like this hand serves me, we are all parts and parcels of Krishna. Hence, we all have to serve Krishna. If this hand is cut from my body and is lying down on the ground, what is the use of the hand? So similarly, if I am cut away from the consciousness to serve Supreme Personality of Godhead, what is my value? What is the use of my identity? Right? So, Jivera Swarupaya Krishnera Nityadas. As long as I have the consciousness of the Sambandha Gyan, that I am the servant of the Lord, I need to work for the pleasure of the Lord, then there is some value for me. Otherwise, we are as useless as the hand that is cut off from the body. Hence, it is very, very important. Now that having got this human form of life, having got Srila Prabhupada's books, having studied Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, even come up to the level of Chaitanya Charitamrita, you should understand Yat Karoshi, Yad Ashnashi, Yad Johoshi, Dadasi, Yat Tapashyasi Kaunteya, Tat Kurushva Madarpanam. You have to offer everything, Manasa, Vacha, Karmana, in the service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna. And that is the goal of life. So we'll do quickly to Harinam Sankirtan. I would request devotees to kindly switch on your cameras. We'll see who all have joined today. And we'll end in a couple of minutes. About 2-3 minutes are there. 2 minutes to be precise. Nama Om Vishnu Padhaya Krishna Preshthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pratarine Nirvisesha Shunyavadi Achatya Ishadarine Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Gauranitai Jai Jai Jagannath Jai Baladev Jai Subhadra Jai Sudarshan Jai Bala Gopal Jaya Rukmini Vithal Jaya Prahlad Narsingha Jai Lakshmi Narsingha Jai Chadrabhuja Shaligram Shila Haigriva Shaligram Shila Gopal Ji Shaligram Shila Kurmaji Shaligram Shila Lakshmi Narsingha Shaligram Shila Guru Ayurappa Jaya Radha Giridhari Jaya Radha Krishna Jai Shadgo Swami Jaya Guru Parampara Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Guru Deva